My Brompton bike, the front tires is punctured. I will show you how to repair it efficient way and cheap way. Every 2 days I use my bike. The tire is always flat, so probably they will have hole, but it's very tiny. What is the secret to find out the little hole from these tires? The equipment I need is the pump, also here puncture repair kit. Cost me £1 from pawn shop. Bought it a while ago, but I didn't use it. And inside basically is everything here. And then I need the toothpick, and then also here I got water. First of all, I need to take out this screw here as well. Take it out. Make sure don't lose it. Here in the repair kit I got this to open all these tires. You see, got this, so you can keep it like that. Just open it little by little. Okay, I can use it my hand now. So I take out this without opening the wheel, take it out, so it's just easy. Now the tires is out. I need the Allen key to open this one brake, so I can take it out and then make sure don't lose any of this. It's come off now. So now the tire is out. What I need to do is I will pump again, and I will check it where's the puncture did, and then I will measure between that and here, make sure it's exactly same location. And then if the hole is somewhere here, so probably they have some nail somewhere here. To check the tires, which one is punctured, can be two ways. Can be use your cheek, which one is you can feel it. But the easy way, what I do is have water there. So I just dip it like that. So if the punctured around here, you can see the water is bubbling. I found it there. It's here. A little air come out from there. Can you see the water is bubbling out? If I try to figure out without water, it's very hard. So now I found it, and then I can mark it now. Toothpick somewhere here. There. So I found one puncture. So I will go around again if any punctured somewhere else. So basically I found only one here punctured. So the tire is positioned like this. So I will look somewhere here, make sure it's nothing nail still there, because if the nail is still inside here and I repair this and I put it back, the tires will be broken again. So now I need to check it somewhere here. Make sure it's nothing there. It's quite clean, it's nothing inside. And probably I check here as well. It's nothing here. So what I need to do now is I will repair this, and then I will put it back. So I know the puncture here. What I need to do, I make it dry now. Before I put one of these, I need to clean up first the tire. I need to have some little wood there, like that. Oh, that's the hole there. I need a little brush on. Before I put the glue, and the repair. So make sure it's nice and clean. So things is getting ready now. So basically this is one big, one small. So I think this size is exactly for this, just right size. So this one will be out, and then the other side will be in, to fix it like that, like that. This will be outside, and then put the glue on. Okay, the glue is already there. Now I need to put this thing on. That's it. So I need little push. I got here a spoon, and I need to take out this plastic later, so I just leave it now for 5-10 minutes, and then I need to pump again and to check it, make sure it's not any air come out from here. Now I'm going to pump again, and then I check it with water, so make sure it's nothing come out the air from here. Okay, it's enough. So this is water, and then this is the one got puncture. Let's put it inside there. As you see there, is nothing come out. So it's done. So I need to put it back into the tires now. Make it dry, and then rid of the air. So now first is put it back this, like that, and then put the screw inside until to the end. Now I will put back this. Inner tire is inside already. Put the tires back now. Start with hand first. So mostly it's already in now. No, actually not need. Already it's inside. So I need to do now is going to pump, and then I need to put the brake pad inside here, and basically it's finished. So the tires is just ready now to use. Put it back. Put it screw more further, because now it's already pumped. The last part I need to put it back, this brake pad here. Try to break it. Yeah, make sure it's exactly in the middle. So basically, to fix the tires, any bike is a similar system. When I repair my bike, the tires is roughly like 20 minutes, and cost me, if I divide it, is only 20 pence. So now the tires is okay, perfect, ready to use for next ride. So if any comments or better ways to do it, welcome. Thank you for watching.